Welcome back to Survival Challenge. Well, I spent all my money, just about, but just about broke. Well, this is a tractor that we bought from a second-hand dealership, replacing, well, we used some of our money and we used the money that we got for the John Deere tractor. You know, we thought it was a better, well, I thought it was a better option because the value that you get out of it as far as horsepower is concerned. Okay, got both of our tractors just there here. So our field needs to be fertilized. So that's what we're going to go and do now. We're just going to go and fertilize our field. And then I will also show you what we also spent our money on. I replaced our lumber production, our sawmill, I think it was called, with, well, it's wrong thing. So I got that sawmill instead. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm not sure if that's any better as far as production is concerned, but it is definitely better looking, if that makes sense. So we are very poor at the moment, but we could go and sell quite a bit of stuff, in which case we wouldn't be poor anymore, which we're obviously not going to do at this stage. Oops, got a bit of a lag there, because it doesn't really make sense at this stage for us to go and sell stuff that we're losing quite a bit of money on. So we're just going to suck it up unless we absolutely desperately need money for whatever reason. I definitely need to buy a new field. Oops, face full of trees. So that is definitely going to be our priorities. Getting ourselves some new fields, getting into the animal side of things, because we definitely need to go into that. Our production is doing all right as far as your letters and all that sort of stuff is concerned. So yeah, okay, we'll just let the worker do his thing here. What did we? Soybeans. I completely forgot where I actually planted in here. And while he's doing that, I will show you. Oops, that's run out of stuff to do. That's the new sawmill, I think it's called, right? Yep. So yeah. Last time I smashed into those things, and looks like we're going to have to come and deal with this very soon, or we're going to find ourselves that we are going to run out of space. In December, we're going to go and sell. Our oil that we got from the canola that we harvested off this field right here. Anyway, we'll get a bit of time left to start up with. have finished fertilizing this field. Let's get off the crop so we don't destroy it completely. And let's go to our yard and see if we can fertilize the little grass field that we have there and hopefully improve the production a little bit there. Whoa, whoa, trees in my face all the way through. Now, I don't actually know if we could increase the production. That is definitely the next field that we're buying. I'm just hoping that, you know, by the time we have the money to buy the field, a better crop for us will be put in there. Now, yes, I am going to obviously allow him to maybe and hopefully pay me to put the crops in there, and then we'll figure it out. I don't think it actually works, to be honest, because I don't think this is classified as a field. I think this is more classified as a just like wild grass. So this is why I don't think it actually, no, it does not in any way, shape or form recognize that as anything other than just a bit of wild grass. Now maybe it wouldn't hurt actually to do that, and until we need to do anything else, you know, get this plow that we have over here and actually, oh, I knew I was going to do that. How did I know I was going to do that? Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's have a look. I need to bring the back on, and I don't think it will work, to be really honest. No, because if he's not recognizing it as a field, it's obviously not going to work, you know, to do whatever I need it to do. Now, I am going to leave a little bit of, you know, graveled road over here. Oh, never mind, pressing the wrong buttons all the time. So we will kind of leave it like that, even though that doesn't really, you know, inspire a lot of extra space for the machinery to move through. But at least we have a, oh, that's a bit crooked. Either that or my placement was not very good. One or the other. Okay. And obviously then we'll plant grass here. At least this way, one, we have a little bit more of grass to deal with. And secondly, we can fertilize it and improve the yield. And whenever we're ready to, see, now it kind of recognizes just that little bit, but that little bit doesn't help me at all. So we won't even bother to deal with that as of yet. But obviously, once we've got all this taken care of, on our next time that we come in here, we could actually use GPS, which to me is a little bit sad that you can't use GPS. I mean, GPS is not in real life dependent on whether or not you have a field there. GPS is just GPS. It's just, you know, straight line and Bob's your uncle type of thing. Okay, I kind of, yeah, kind of didn't do a very good job there. Now, I don't know if I want to extend it here, purely because it's eating too much into my field, my road over there. So we're not really going to extend it here. We're just going to try and get as close as we can to the existing field. Okay, we're kind of encroaching a little bit, but that's fine. Okay, so this should give us Okay, I kind of do want to try and do a little bit better job as far as leveling all of this to sort of some sort of a normality as far as the line is concerned. Whether I'm going to be able to do that or not, we'll find out. Not really. It looks like it's kind of going a little bit offline. Okay, that's fine. So we do have our field over here now. It's a little bit bigger than what it was, but I think it is more manageable as far as the you know, using it for grass and all that sort of stuff is concerned. Okay, now let's go get our planter. I'm pretty sure that we should have enough seed in there to see this grass field over here behind us. Oh, the brakes are not very good in FS25 on tractors. Mind you, my backing skills are not very good either. Okay, let's change it to grass. Oh no, we don't have. Okay, I just shot myself in the foot there. I need to buy a seeder now with $3,000. Good luck. Okay, did I go past it? Obviously I did. Seeders. Whoa. Okay. So we're in trouble. As far as planting grass is concerned, so we're going to plant. What do I want to plant in there now? Sorghum? No. Sunflower? Soybeans? Whether I like it or not, that's the only thing that kind of can make us a little bit of money. Okay. Okay, and yeah, I think I'll time lapse this bit. I don't think you want me to go on and on about it. Looks like he did a half decent job. So now what I can do, well, at least I think I can do that, is Oh, come on, don't do that. Fertilize the field. And we'll use the same tractor since we just got this tractor. I'm telling you, the brakes on tractors, is it just me? Or is it something that I'm missing in settings? Oh, look at this. I like the way you can kind of see the front, the screen. So what I want to do is do it like that. Okay, so we'll do it like this. Yep, definitely can fertilize just about the whole field in one go. So looks pretty a-okay from that point of view. Now obviously we're going to struggle with that tiny little bit, which is fine. We'll have no choice but to do it like this. Obviously massively be fertilizing the road and all that sort of stuff, but that's a-okay. So fertilized, field fertilized. Oh, I'm telling you, I'm still not used to the brakes being so bad. We definitely need to move this out of the way, or then when we go into the next month, we might be running into a problem with being able to spawn. Now, I don't know if it's actually going to be a problem. I'm not quite sure what the capacity is, but I don't want to find out, come back next month, and then find out, hey, you ran out of capacity. I mean, we desperately need money to spend it on our next fields. So definitely need to do this. Now, I think I've downloaded some more greenhouses, or some different greenhouses, I should say. So I think what I'm going to do is sell the two smaller ones if the new ones that I got can actually fit in this space here. And if they do, I'm going to delete this, sell them off, sorry, not delete them, and put the new ones that I got in. I don't think if the new ones actually do lettuce. Let's have a look. Okay, greenhouses. Which ones did I download? Oh, these ones, like this. Oh, okay. Oh, so they're definitely big enough. Okay, these ones, oh, they do chili and all that sort of stuff, which I believe mine one do chili as well, don't they? Not that one, not that one. Okay, that's, yeah. So they're pretty much identical as far as anything is concerned, other than the fact that they just look a little bit different. What about price-wise? So 27,000. Okay. Some mushrooms. Okay, 18,000. So this one's a little bit more expensive. Okay, so we can definitely use something like this. Even if I have to maybe put it that way or something, we'll find out. But I can definitely, actually I think what I can do is just put this like this. And at least this way. Whoa, what did I do? Accidentally grabbed one. And then obviously flinged everything else across. It's just the point of it is that we have something different instead of same old. Okay, before I do that, okay, good, it's saving. Okay, so I don't have to worry about that now. Okay, let's sell them. And let's look at this $10,000 one. Overlaps, well, we can definitely do it there. Overlaps, doesn't overlap. Okay, and sell that one. And put you there as well. You know what I should have done maybe is try and do it this way. Okay, but that's going to be bad because I can't actually see if... Oh, what did I just do? Must have pressed something that zoomed out. Okay, so I can't fit the third one, which is fine. Do I have something? No, which is fine. The idea was that we have something that does exactly the same thing as the others, really. So really, they do exactly the same thing. There's no difference, other than in this one, looks like we could put liquid fertilizer, and I'm assuming that would mean that we would get a higher production then. So let's get into our factories and go to these ones and look at letters. Activated, where is activated? I forget now which ones we actually get really good. We get really good money as far as where are we? Oh, I need to change that. So once we do our next, I didn't realize that Daggerwin, he was actually playing with seasons on. That's in December, so we don't need to worry about it now. What was I looking for? Completely forgot what I was looking for here. Okay, carrots. Okay, we don't need to worry about carrots. Chili, 1400. And garlic, same. Lettuce, that's the best price. We played around with kimchi and all that, but cabbage, not so good price. The mushrooms are okay. Okay, there's a lot of productions here, but we won't worry about that as of yet. So we've got ourselves, can you go in this? Yes, you can. Okay, so they should be active, right? You know, I could have placed them the other way around. They could have faced each other. Anyway, have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.